So we're in the basement of my house, and I've been thinking I should do a better job insulating between the floor joists around the perimeter of my house here. And I had fiberglass insulation between the joists here, like, you know, just between each one. But I'm thinking I'm gonna do a little better than that, stop the wind. So I'm gonna do the spray foam insulation today, and I've got a truck coming out that specializes in that. But I've got a bit of a problem here, guys. So this floor joist here is in the way because I want to get in behind there. So I use my 2.5-inch hole saw, and I'm about a foot apart between the holes. But see, now I can get in there. I get my light. See, way back in there, that's where I want to get in. That's, you know, that's probably 16 inches out, you know, to get in there. And this way, at least we can spray some in there.
Yeah, I used to always use a scaffold, like the drywall scaffold.
Yeah.
With 4 wheels.
Yeah, this way the operator, he can move his
Yeah,
own
he
thing,
can move up and down.
He's good to go.
Yeah, and he can move himself.
Do you have to preheat?
Yeah, that is an electric heater all the way.
It feels like that hose is really warm, eh?
Oh yeah, it has to be.
It's got some heat in it.
The heat just thins down the material to make it sprayable. Otherwise, it's like molasses.
So do you have a generator on the truck?
Oh yeah,
to heat that electric?
It's a 3-phase generator in the van.
Oh, yeah.
Takes about 15 minutes to heat up the hose before we can start spraying.
Yeah, this is what I was interested in.
Okay, it's standing.
Hey, give me that light!
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, but once you spray it, then
What?
once you spray his light,
Well, that's okay. We can clean that off. We won't worry about that.
Get out of the way!
Yeah,
you must look before you press the trigger.
yeah.
I know.
Clean your glass off.
What happened?
Well, why don't we bring this light over?
Okay, that's perfect. But I...
No, nobody got sprayed.
Just a pipe.
Hang on. You got some big tanks on the back of your trailer here. What are you looking at here?
This is a A and a B chemical. When they come together at the end of the gun, turns into foam.
Yeah.
And we pump it into those holes. And those pumps on top pump it into the machine here.
So you have one pump?
One pump for the B and one pump for the A.
Okay.
And then it pumps it into those tanks.
What does this tank do?
This is just an expansion tank.
Oh, yeah, okay. And what have you got here?
And from here the proportioner is a pump here for the B side and a pump for the A side on a common drive.
Okay, so it keeps it consistent.
Yeah, with a hydraulic motor.
Yeah.
And then the chemical after, before it's pumped to the hose, goes through a primary heater, one on this side and one on this, that heats it up to 140 degrees.
Are you heating them separately?
Yeah.
A and B gets heated separately, and then it gets mixed precision.
They have to be separated until you pull the trigger.
Yeah.
Once the two chemicals come together, there's no stopping it from turning into foam.
Yeah. And so here's your compressor to propel it.
Yeah, this just supplies the air to open the gun and to clean the gun.
Okay. What propels it out of the gun though? It's not air pressure?
Hydraulic.
Oh.
There's a hydraulic motor here.
Okay.
And those pumps, like this is a hydraulic pump here.
Yep.
That provides power for the motor, and it pumps it up to 1,000 pounds of pressure.
Oh yeah. And you've got what, 200 feet of hose here?
Yeah, and this is an insulated heated hose as
Yeah,
well.
so I felt it before, it was actually warm, this
Yeah.
hose, and that's actually coming from your generator,
Yeah.
which is here.
Here's where the heat goes into the hose. Those wires are wrapped around the hose, and it keeps the hose hot.
How many kilowatts is your generator here?
That's 30 kW, 30,000.
Yeah. So this is quite operational. You're all decked out.
That three-phase generator.
Well, my house should be a little warmer now, thanks to you guys.
And your jacket.
My jacket. You see my jacket. That was what happens when you're standing too close trying to help it along.
And then this pump here supplies him with the fresh air that he breathes while he's, like in the mask that he has,
Yep.
the fresh air supply.